Hello, you all, welcome to our channel. Allure, the quality of being powerful and mysteriously attractive or fascinating. Akarshana, Fuslana, ambitious, showing strong desire and determination to succeed. ప్రతిష్టాత్మకమైన, మహత్వాకాంక్షి. Ambiguous, not clear. అస్పష్టమైన, అస్పష్ట. Elucidate, to make clear. వివరించు, స్పష్ట करना. Abnormal, not normal. అసాధారణమైనది, అసామాన్య. altruistic, unselfish. పరోపకారమైన, పరోపకారి. animosity, a strong feeling of dislike. శత్రుత్వం, bear. bogey, an evil or mischievous spirit. దెయ్యం, భూత్. caveat, a warning or proviso of specific stipulations. హెచ్చరిక, చేతావని. chivalrous, a good and brave person. ధైర్యవంతుడు, ఉదార్. If you like the video, go and hit the like button. If you found of this video, find a friend to share it. But make sure to subscribe and beat the bell icon for daily updates. And thank you for watching.